Welcome to Thought Control, and today we have part 1 of 10 things why Japan is a unique country. The first one is vending machines are everywhere. Japan is home to over 4 million vending machines. Most are stocked with a broad selection of sodas and canned coffee, while some of the more intriguing iterations are filled with action figures, umbrellas, soup, milk, natto, art, anime merchandise, beer, cigarettes, and more. For a deeper look, check out our list of 10 off-the-wall vending machines you can find in Japan. The second one is Smart Washlet Toilets, Japanese Washlet Toilet. Japanese super toilets known as washlets come equipped with a smorgasbord of high-tech functions with various backside sprays, water temperature controls, perfumes, and even noise-covering sounds. These toilets of the future put the others to shame. While overwhelming at first, they can be easily handled with a few basic tricks. The third one is limited edition Kitkats, unique Kitkats. While Kitkats themselves are entirely normal and enjoyed worldwide, Japan has ramped up the creativity with a whole bunch of exciting, one-of-a-kind flavors unseen anywhere else. While the popular matcha Kitkat immediately springs to mind, it's only scratching the surface. Some of the more unique highlights include yogurt, wasabi, Adzuki beans, manju, cheesecake, apple pudding, and even sake-flavored Kitkats. Let's dive into the fourth one, futuristic Capsule Hotels. Taking compact to the next level, Capsule hotels are the accommodation of the future, offering a cheap and cozy place to rest your head amongst the crowded cities of Japan. These sci-fi-esque pods offer a surprisingly comfy, no-frills stay for those just looking to crash. But don't think you will be sacrificing luxury. Japanese capsule hotels are often furnished with shared baths, televisions, entertainment rooms, food service, books, and more. For more information, check out our roundup of capsule hotels in Asakusa and Ueno. Do you know the fifth one? Well, it's Lavish Love Hotels. If you ever spot a unique or mysterious hotel displaying prices per hour, you have encountered one of Japan's infamous love hotels. Privacy is a rare commodity in Japan, with invasive parents, nosy neighbors, and tiny apartments making bringing someone back to your place a strenuous feat. Love hotels solve these issues, allowing a discreet escape for romantic escapades in the sanctity of absolute privacy. In addition to serving couples, love hotels can also be used as a place to sleep or even as your main accommodation in Japan. Here are our top picks for Tokyo's best affordable love hotels. The sixth one is free tissues handed out on the street. Wander the streets of Japan's major transit hubs and you will likely be passed a set of free tissues, usually displaying a company's logo and information. Any guesses for 7th? Wet towels before meals. While now spotted across the globe, the practice of cleaning one's hands with a wet towel before a meal is a distinctly Japanese mannerism. Likely placed beside you on the table, oshibori wet towels allow one to wipe their hands and freshen up before starting on the main course. Often warmed or cooled to accommodate the season, they are a welcome sight appreciated by many. While it's tempting to use it as a napkin too, general Japanese etiquette dictates it for hand use only. 8th one is adorable Randoseru backpacks. Cute yet smart Randoseru backpacks can be spotted on the backs of Japanese elementary school children as they commute to and from school. Often costing a fortune, they are crafted from high-quality materials such as leather and built tough to survive all 6 years of elementary school. Despite the cutesy appearance, they originated as a European-inspired military backpack commonly seen during the Edo period. In fact, the word Randoseru comes from the Dutch word ransel, meaning backpack. The second last in our list is Kotatsu to help you survive the winter. While Japanese homes largely lack central heating systems and insulated walls, they more than make up for it with the super cozy Kotatsu. This electric heated table and blanket combo provides a comfortable and energy efficient way to survive the Japanese cold. The last and final for this part is blue traffic lights. As the Japanese language traditionally made little distinction between the colors green and blue, the word ao, translating as blue in English, was and still often is used to describe both blue and green. While modern Japanese also uses the word midori to describe green, the remnants of this culture have remained most notably in the traffic light system. According to the standards set by the International Commission on Illumination, the color of the Japanese traffic light is technically a shade of green that is extremely close to blue. Keep watching Thought Control for such